Hello everyone, my name is Clarissa Lugo and I've prepared this short introduction video to let you guys know a little bit more about me and get to know me. So here are some things about me that I really enjoy. So I enjoy being active. Early in my credential program, I found myself stressing and unable to juggle being a full-time student and have working and I found myself being very stressed out all the time and having mental breakdowns. So I joined a fitness boot camp that really allowed me to take some of the stress away, and it's really benefited me because since I started being active, I just have so much more energy. I really enjoy spending time with my family. My family is one of the most important aspects of my life. I enjoy having free time. With my busy schedule, it's really hard to find any free time. So the free time that I do have, I just treasure it. And I also enjoy traveling. So the picture that I posted is a picture of me in Catalina Island. And I took this picture because if you notice the name of the avenue, it's Clarissa Avenue. And it's really hard for me to find anything with my name, like ever. I've gone to many places and they never have my name on a keychain or on the Coke bottles. So I had to take a picture with this avenue as soon as I saw it. Okay, here you will see some pictures that I posted. The first one up at the top is a picture of my family. There are 4 of us. I have a younger brother and he happens to be taller than me. I also have my mom and my dad, and they are just my support system. Below that, there is a picture of one of the holiday traditions that we have. So during the holidays, we like to make tamales together, and that is a picture of my grandma and I. She is in charge, so she has the Santa apron, and I'm just one of her tamale elves, helping her out. It's really fun because the whole family gets together and we all have a little tamale party. Next to that picture, you will see I am a Dodger fan. That picture is from one of the games I went to last season. I haven't been to very many games this season because I've been extremely busy. Above that, you will see that I have 2 dogs. I have a black German Shepherd and her name is Dakota. Next to that, you will see last Christmas, I got a new puppy, and that is a terrier mix, and his name is Opie. In this slide, you'll see some of the places that I've visited. So the first picture is a picture of a cathedral in Mexico that I went to. I fell in love with the architecture. It was just an enormous cathedral and it was so beautiful. So I took a picture of it with my mom. We look so small compared to it. Next to that picture is a picture of my younger brother and I. That was taken in Cancun, and we went for when I received my bachelor's. Next to that picture, it's also from Cancun. It's a little bit blurry because we went swimming through some caves that there are there, so that picture came out a little blurry, but it was a very neat experience to get to do that. In this slide, these are a few things that I did this summer. So up at the top, you will see a picture of my boyfriend and I, and the letters in the back say wine because we went to go wine tasting. We like doing wine tasting at different places, and this place was at the Malibu Wine Safaris. So during that safari, we actually got to meet different animals that are there in Malibu at the vineyards. So we got to meet and feed this cute little giraffe. His name is Stanley, and he just enjoyed eating all the lettuce that we gave him. So there's Stanley, and then next to that you will see a picture from the river. It was my first time going to Laughlin this summer, so we spent a lot of time out at the Colorado River and just being in the river because it was about 119 degrees that weekend that I went. Above that, you will see a picture from Cabo. I went to Cabo earlier this month for my birthday, and this picture was actually taken on my birthday there at the Arches. Okay, so that was all about me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video and learned a little bit more of me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing semester. Thank you.